Hi, I'm Giselle Colbridge with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage to Realty. I'm here with a great opportunity for you. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story home with a beautiful pond view and a large backyard. This home is located in a neighborhood with A-rated schools, elementary, middle, and high school. It's also a USDA area, which means that you can get a loan with 0% down payment. Do you like what I'm telling you? So watch for you to see also all the amenities that we have nearby. We're close to the mall Sterling Creek, where you can find Publix and a great selection of stores. Let's go check it out inside. Hello. So as you walk in, you have here on my right side the TV room, you have here the dining room, and also over here on my right side, you have the master bedroom. The master bedroom is large enough for you to have a dresser, a king-size bed, and whatever else you have. You have his and her closets, and also in the bathroom, you have a soaking tub, a shower, and also a very nice sink with lots of cabinet. All right, and here we come to the family room. Very large, very spacious, hypoallergenic carpet over here. And then we overlook this enormous kitchen here. Perfect kitchen for a chef, where you have dual sinks, the breakfast nook. And if we walk this way, you're gonna have the laundry room, and you're gonna have the 3 bedrooms over here. Also same quality of carpet. Now let's see the backyard. This is my favorite part. Okay, and here we have the perfect place for entertaining guests, all screened. And then as we walk out, we have the beautiful view of the pond. Look at that, that's amazing. And here, lots of space. You can have a pool. If you notice right here, we also have the master bathroom, which can be a pool bath. So you have the door and you have a shower right there. Yeah, this house is really amazing. Another thing that you have to notice outside, you will see that the paint is newer. The entire house outside was painted in 2015, and also the roof was replaced in 2017. You have to come check it out. If you want more information, you can give me a call, or you can go on our website, TopOrlandoHomes.com, brand new website. Check it out. And this is Giselle Colbridge again with Keller Williams Advantage to Realty. Thank you for seeing our listing.